You hurt me this way. Everything I knew was love in you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? Now you can't even say that you will.